The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. How financially literate are Jamaicans? Well, a national financial literacy baseline survey funded by the FSC had some interesting findings, including the fact that Jamaicans have difficulty with the time value of money and with the calculation of interest, with less than half of the respondents displaying any skills in this regard. Amazingly, the survey also found that less than 50% of Jamaicans have a budget or a concept of what a budget is like, and 2/3 preferred to live for today and let the morrow take care of itself. Guest speaker at the launch of the dissemination of the survey's findings, Dr. Lawrence Nicholson, a lecturer at the Mona School of Business and Management, noted that while Jamaicans compared favorably in some respects to other countries, we have a problem with financial knowledge, according to the survey conducted in July 2012 with a sample size of 1,000.
Less than half, less than 50% of Jamaicans gain high score on those financial issues in terms of what is interest rate, what is simple interest, what is compound interest, what is inflation, yes? Those kind of questions. And to get a high score, you'd have to get at least 6 out of the 8 questions correct. And so just below 50% got that.
Also speaking at this morning's dissemination of the financial literacy findings, Janice Holness, the new executive director of the FSC, delivered this timely warning to Jamaican investors, some of whom have the inclination to get involved in get-rich-quick schemes or Ponzi schemes.
Investors should always request written information. Ask if the firm and products are registered by the regulator. Carefully research the company or organization. Ask what recourse you would have should you make a purchase and you're not satisfied. And ask for balance sheets and income statements of the issuer.
On the foreign exchange market, the US dollar closed the week at a new all-time high average selling rate against the Jamaican currency. In fact, the greenback jumped by 15 Jamaican cents today to close at $98.34. However, the Canadian dollar lost $1.05 Jamaican to close at $96.86. Sterling gained 39 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $150.49. News on the market now, and gains by Scotia Group proven and to a lesser extent Salada Foods triggered slight advances in the Jamaican stock market indices. The main JC index crept up by 17 points or 0.02%. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, real estate practitioners are saying that housing prices are defying what's happening in this low-growth, uncertain economy and are actually rising. Some real estate brokers like Anya Levy attribute this phenomenon to limited supply of housing stock for the middle-income market, where demand is still high. Now that's a stark contrast to what occurred in the American market, where prices actually plummeted at the peak of the economic crisis in 2008. However, that's the way it is in JA. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.